Hello explorers, and welcome to this week's video.
Yeah, in this week's video we booked one of the pods here at Thaba eNtle. It's close to Thabazimbi in the Limpopo province. Let's show you this amazing place. Over here you have a nice braai. They can supply with wood if you don't want to bring your own. There's a dustbin that's baboon proof to keep your trash inside. Let's show you this pod. In the pod there's a nice fireplace for those cold winter nights. Small little kitchen that's gas operated. Small fridge. And over here is a lovely double bed and a nice couch if you just want to relax. This place is really cool. Come look at this amazing bathroom. Outside there's a nice table you can relax at, and even a nice couch you can sit and enjoy the amazing sunsets. I can already see the sunsets are going to be amazing, but the best part about this is still down here. Come have a look. There's a swimming pool here with a nice lounger and some chairs, and the best thing about this, on the colder winter days you can make a fire inside and heat up the pool so you don't have to sit in all the cold water. This place was really well thought out and it looks amazing. We can't wait to spend the weekend here. The road to get to the pod is definitely for 4x4s only, but they do offer the option to park at the main lodge and then they bring you up here with one of those awesome Can-Am 4x4 little Jeep things. But yeah, on the road up here we saw quite a few animals. This place looks very nice, so I think we'll definitely see some animals here over the weekend. We opted for the afternoon game drive, so they'll come and fetch us in about half an hour to take us on that, and then we can see a bit more of this place. But they offer quite a lot of options for entertainment, for couples, for families. If you want to see all the options and the prices, you can pause the video here.
So Thaba eNtle offers 5 different types of accommodation, 2 pods, the main lodge, the log cabin and the shack. If I'm correct, you can check on their website or we book through Lekker Slaap, and the link will be down in the description.
This is our ride for the game drive. This section here you can see now in the video is a function section you can hire for 3 hours at a time. The prices will also be included in the slide we showed you earlier. So you can book this section with this amazing view in the background. Yeah, this is pretty cool, and you can have whatever type of function you want here. We just got back from our game drive. It was very much fun. DJI has a very good sense of humor. It was very informative. They tell you everything about all the animals they have here on the farm. We started the fire, as you can see in the background. We're gonna have a braai, relax, and then go to bed. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We woke up nice and relaxed earlier this morning. Had a nice cup of coffee in bed. Now we just made ourselves another cup of coffee. We're just chilling here. The wind is a bit less than desirable. Skippy is sitting outside there. So yeah, the plan is just to relax, have our coffee, enjoy the amazing view, and maybe make a brunch and then just relax. Unfortunately, the wind is not in our favor, but we'll see. Maybe when the afternoon comes, it dies down a little bit and we can have a swim. But yeah, for now, just relaxing. It was so nice waking up relaxed. We listened to some music from when we were in school, just thinking back about the old days.
As you can see, I'm whiter than a ghost, getting some vitamin D on this beautiful deck after a delicious brunch. So Thaba eNtle. Thaba means mountain, eNtle means beautiful, which translates to beautiful mountain, and the name describes this place perfectly. So Thaba eNtle also have exotic animals like golden wildebeest, king wildebeest, golden oryx, which I've never seen before, and even more. But stay till the end for a full review and some important information you need to know before booking this amazing place. I've been relaxing the whole entire day, but I think it's time to take a dip into the pool.
Is the water too cold?
Yes.
I have the solution. You can make a nice fire in this. It will heat up the water nice and quickly.
Yes! This is one of the main reasons we decided on this place. Hot tub with a view, couldn't get better.
Yeah, so let me show you guys how this is done, how they explain it to us. I've also never used one of these. So they said you just take some blitz, you light it, put it in the bottom, and then stuck the wood on top of that. And then you can use this lid to regulate the airflow to heat it up. So yeah, let's do this.
Best part of this hot tub, it has its own ice bucket. Cheers! Look, we have a visitor. If I'm correct, it's a bushbuck ewe.
Skippy, are you enjoying this?
It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, this is really a cool concept. Yeah, if the pool starts cooling down a bit, you just add some more wood. Get another fire going to heat it up again. But yeah, I'm gonna start the fire on the other side here so we can braai our dinner tonight. So we can have something nice to eat. It might be lamb chops, you never know. Good morning. It actually feels a bit more like winter here this morning. It's actually quite a bit chilly outside. Just made some coffee and have some coffee and some rusks. Just actually wake up. But yeah, this view in the valley with the sun rising is very beautiful this morning. It looks very, very cool.
Unfortunately, it's our final morning, and after a lovely cup of coffee and a delicious breakfast, I would say this is a perfect Bushveld getaway.
Yeah, I definitely do agree with that. I would say anything within a 2 hours drive from Pretoria is worth visiting. I would definitely give this place a thumbs up. From the nice braai area to the hot tub that you can heat up. The bed was super comfy. The gas geyser for the shower makes the water nice and warm. Yeah, I would say definitely things you might need to bring. If you have a pair of binoculars, definitely bring that. We spotted quite a few animals here in the bush in front of us this morning. And if you have a proper, like we call it in Afrikaans, a breathtaking, if you have one of them, bring that with. The one they have here is not the best, but I would definitely give this place a thumbs up and say it's worth a visit. So yeah, thank you for staying here with us this weekend, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Bye.